Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Not settings, firstly you have to open file manager. So you can transfer images, videos, docs, music, APKs, Bluetooth and downloads, archives, and even more. So let's transfer some image, for example this one. So to do this, firstly you have to hold your finger on it like this, then select if you want to send it or if you want to move it. So let's move this image, select SD card, then select folder to which you want to move it. So for example it could be pictures, and then tap paste. And as you can see, now we have this file on our internal storage and also on our SD card. So we can switch here, go to the go to pictures. Wait, what? We switch to SD card, then go to pictures, and here we can find this image just as a proof. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.